Welcome to Money Zen. If you're new here, this is your go-to channel for personal finance tips and tricks tailored for young adults in India. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the best investment apps in India for beginners to help you kickstart your wealth creation journey. So grab a cup of chai and let's dive in. Let's begin by understanding what investing really means. Investing is like planting a tree. You sow a seed today, nurture it, and over time it grows into something substantial, like a tree bearing fruits. Similarly, investments help you grow your wealth over time through consistent contributions and patience. Starting early is key. Even small amounts invested regularly can compound into a significant amount over the years. So, whether you're saving for your dream home, a car, or financial independence, investing is your best bet for long-term wealth creation. Now, how do you pick the right investment app? Here are the top factors to consider. 1. User-friendliness, an intuitive and easy-to-navigate interface. 2. Security, ensuring your money and data are safe with robust security measures. 3. Variety of investment options. Look for apps offering stocks, mutual funds, fixed deposits, and more. 4. Customer support, reliable assistance when you face any issues. 5. Fees and charges. Transparency in costs. Low fees mean more savings for you. Let's review some of the most popular investment apps for beginners in India. Groww. Features: simplified interface, great for mutual funds and stock investments. Pros: easy account setup, educational resources for beginners. Cons: limited advanced tools for seasoned investors. Zerodha. Features best for direct stock market investments with low brokerage fees. Pros: industry leader in trading technology, powerful tools like Kite. Cons: slightly overwhelming for absolute beginners due to technical features. See Upstox. Features: affordable trading with a beginner-friendly interface. Pros: low brokerage charges, smooth account opening process. Cons: limited customer support during peak hours. ET Money. Features: focused on mutual funds, insurance, and financial planning. Pros: no commissions on direct mutual funds, easy financial goal tracking. Cons: limited stock trading options. Coin by Zerodha. Features: specialized in direct mutual fund investments. Pros: no commissions, easy to track SIPs, systematic investment plans. Cons: limited to mutual funds, no other investment options. Here are some pro tips for beginners. 1. Set financial goals. Understand why you're investing, short-term versus long-term goals. 2. Start small. Begin with an amount you're comfortable with. Even 500 rupees is a great start. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one investment. Spread it across different assets. 4. Stay informed. Read about market trends and the assets you're investing in. 5. Review regularly. Monitor your portfolio and rebalance it as needed to align with your goals. To wrap up, investing is the first step toward financial independence, and the right app can make the process easier and more enjoyable. Apps like Groww, Zerodha, Upstox, ET Money, and Coin are fantastic options depending on your needs. Remember, the key to successful investing is patience, consistency, and long-term planning. If you haven't started yet, there's no better time than now. Take that first step and watch your money grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Money Zen. Let us know in the comments which app you'd like to try, or if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy investing!